everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to change your X display name in just a few steps. First, open the app X and then go to your profile by tapping your profile picture on the top left. When you are on your profile page, tap the edit profile button, and now at the very top you'll see the name field. This is your display name. Simply just delete the old name and type in your new one if you have a different one. And once you're happy with it, tap save in the top right corner, and that's it. Your new display name is updated instantly on your profile. If this tutorial helped, make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button, and do not forget to comment down below and let me know what other X tips you'd like me to cover. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.